Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a spring clean and decorate with me, and today's video is actually a collab with Brandy from Her Blissful Life, so I'll go ahead and let her introduce herself.
Hi everyone, I'm Brandy from Her Blissful Life. I am a mom of 3 and wife from Maryland. I make content very similar to Naomi, so I would love it if after Naomi's video you came over to my channel and watched how I decorated my home for spring. Naomi, thank you so much for having me on your channel, and I will see you guys soon.
Brandy is one of my good friends here on YouTube, so y'all make sure and go give her some love when you're done watching my video and let her know I sent you. After that, the first thing I'm going to be doing is throwing all my spring decorations out on my couch so I can easily access them. And I'm going to start in on my mantle first. I'm taking these floral picks from Michael's and they were half off, so they were $5 each. And I just have 2 of them there. And when I'm decorating, you're going to notice I change things a lot. I put things up, I take them down, I rearrange, I take things from around my house, and I just keep messing with it until I get it the way I like it. So you're going to see me doing that a lot throughout this video. And that's just how I tend to decorate. And I wanted to keep a lot of that in here for you guys so you can see the process of how I decorate.
We are young, let's be stupid, just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time.
So here I'm just putting stuff up and taking it away, and at one point I just get kind of frustrated and I move on to my TV stand. So after I put all this up, I take a minute and I add these pillows that I got at Marshall's for 2 for $12, and I add those on my fireplace. I ended up not liking that, but after that I was just like, I need a break. So I moved on to my TV stand. And the first thing I'm doing is taking everything off, and then I'm going to give it a good wipe down. I wish I could take that center channel off. I really hate it, but my husband's really into home theater, so I compromise where I can, and this is one thing I compromise on. After that, I'm taking these little greenery picks that I got from Michael's. I believe those were $2 or $3 each, and a little $3 milk jug from Target.
That we got plenty of time.
And a notorious little $3 bunny from Target with the gold ears. I didn't add a ton of Easter decor, but I did want to add one little bunny, and I just thought he was so cute. I'm then gonna take some Dollar Tree books. I've had these for years, and that's one good tip for you guys. If you like to add height to things or you like decorating with books, go to Dollar Tree, pick up a couple, and just take the covers off, and they're great. And I'm gonna add my little lavender plant from Marshall's. I did haul this in a spring haul, and I will link that up above for you guys if you want to check it out. And I'm kind of doing the same thing over here, adding stuff, taking it away, rearranging, moving stuff around. The candlestick there is from Bath & Body Works for $25, but I actually got it at Goodwill for $3. It was a major score. So I ended up moving my Scentsy over to this side. I just liked it a little bit better over here. The lantern there is from Walmart, and I believe it was $10. I then decided I wanted to add some baskets somewhere. I've been loving baskets. Hey, It's Terry has given me a lot of inspiration for decorating with baskets. I'll leave her channel down below. I love her style, so I decided I wanted to add in a few, and I love the way this turned out actually. That back basket is from a thrift store, and it was $1. And then the smaller, lighter basket I'm about to add was from Goodwill for 25 cents. I'm like a golden crown. I then decided to add my letterboard down here, and I changed up the message to say "so trendy, much wow," because those things are really trendy right now.
Feel so good.
I then decided to add a little bird cage from Hobby Lobby. That I believe was $4. And then this is how it turned out. I do need to get a little stand for the letterboard, but other than that, I love it. I then decided to move back over to my mantle and start messing around with it again. I decided to take the white floral I had in that picture before and wrap it around the wreath for a nice touch of brightness and floral, and I loved it. And then took a tobacco basket from around my house, and I thought I would love the wreath in here, but I ended up not, so I will end up changing that again. But I do keep the tobacco basket up there, and I love the tobacco basket. The hello sign I have here is from Hobby Lobby. I think it was $10. I love it. It's been a staple on my mantle for a long time now. The topiary piece is from Target. I can't remember how much it was, but I would say probably no more than 20. I then decided to move the candlestick and candle over here. That candle smells just like Mrs. Meyer's lavender. It smells so good, and it's from Marshall's. I then decided the tobacco basket looked really plain, so it needed something. So I started adding different stuff in to see what I liked, and I ended up adding an arrow that I found from around my house, and I actually love the way that turned out. And I'm super in love with my mantle. I think it came out super cute. I then took the pillows that I thought I was going to put on my fireplace and moved them over to my couch. I just felt like they worked a lot better over here with those green wreaths up above. I just felt like it tied in perfectly. I then started cleaning all of the mess up off my couch, and I thought for a minute that I was going to decorate my side tables, but then I just thought it was too much stuff everywhere, so I decided not to. And then I just added a white and blue striped blanket over here on the smaller couch. This is also from Marshall's, just to tie in the pillows from the other couch. After that, I was finally done, and the floor needed a good vacuum from all the decorations and the floral. And this is how everything came out. I'm absolutely in love with it. I think it came out so cute. Very spring, but not overwhelming, just nice and bright and airy. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. These are the current wax melts I'm melting. These are from Walmart, and they smell just like pixie sticks. They smell so good. After that, I'm moving into my kitchen. I'm adding this little frosted greenery piece that I got from Marshall's for $6.99 and another candle. I've been loving diffusing mandarin and lemon in my diffuser lately. It smells so good. And I'm actually thinking about picking up Young Living essential oils or maybe Eden's Garden. Y'all leave in a comment down below who your favorite essential oil brand is. I know these Walmart ones are not very good, so I want to invest in some good ones. I then start playing around with things that I want to put on my counters. I end up removing my knife block because we honestly just don't use it. So I decided to take those floral picks that I had in the picture on my mantle and bring them in here and put them in this little Dollar Tree flowers planter, and I loved it. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight, and lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the rest. I then decided to add another basket in here. I'm not sure if I love it. It's a little small, but it was the last one I had, so I went ahead and added it, but I may be picking up a bigger one. And then I've been enjoying adding herbs on my windowsill for spring. I have lavender, rosemary, basil, cilantro, and parsley all up there growing. I then needed to put up everything off my kitchen table again. And give that a good wipe down. And I decided to add fresh flowers to that white picture that was on my mantle, and I loved it.
I can't help myself from feeling all alone. But you got me good. But you got me good.
After that, I'm going to wipe all my counters and sink down with the lavender Mrs. Meyer's. This stuff smells so good. I've been loving it for spring. The little clear cake stand holding my soaps is from the Target dollar spot, and it was only $5. I've really been loving that lately. And this is everything in my kitchen. I didn't want to do anything super overwhelming in my kitchen, but I did love the way it turned out and felt like it was really nice in spring. After that, I'm just going to sweep and mop my floors, and that was it. This took a couple hours, so I was pretty tired afterwards. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below if you're new. I would love to have you here. And if you are subscribed, make sure and turn on your notification bell so you never miss when I post a new video. Make sure and go check out Brandy's video when you're done watching mine. And thank you so much, guys. I'll see you back here soon. Bye.
1 million to 1. It really couldn't be. You're my kind of one of a kind. I'm gonna get out there and say it, 'cause there ain't gonna be one more like you, no.